kubor ke bemnya ipechmai kemat pekongsan. Kajing bujli syuki Menteri Kesorka kadai ke baju jia malakapor orang sebut Menteri Rangpa ke Jelau Pak Presiden Tensong. Ya kajing jurep ya kesurok 4 lane Greenfield NH06 na Shillong Shah Silchar on pendap hado ke bekut na tausnem. Tau ke Sorkar Meghalaya dan ke Komiti Bentokit Halor ke USTM bat ke jengtik kendong siap bat mau bean ha ke tandru point. Bat tak kayin kasyari Meghalaya High Court ban pengendria ikinong tray berpenong jengik ki ban kangnya ke kerdok jangko office KHASI. Ki kubor ki babnya. Usembut Menteri Rangba ubah Presiden Tensong ulah ong ba kajing bujli ki Menteri ke Sorkar ke day tangkar kom terikam baju jang malakipor. Ulah ong ba keseng NPP ke ikarah kajing start Menteri Rangba Henry ki seng sendop ru ki la banjit ki nong mikmat ki jongki. Iba Tensong ila kular baki ni kajing bujli syuki Menteri ki la ban mi kajing bamhon hang ki katu kat ni Henry ka hak ban le nak bentar kajing mentor jong ke jela. Halor kajing dawaban penkelayu Menteri Rangba ulah ong Om Donjin Persya IA lada ka thong kolong ban kentiu ka roi ka parbat ban yadai ka jing mentor jong ka Meghalaya.
Prior to the reshuffling that has taken place recently, I have already told you we leave it to the wisdom of CM because this is the prerogative of CM as far as our party NPP is concerned. But as far as our partners is concerned, again, we leave it to the wisdom of the party. Which one they want to drop, which one they want to induct, or which one they want to make ministers. So we have nothing to say.
Kajing jurip pan Menteri ke Surok 4 lane ke bahap apok ke Greenfield Access Control NH06 ke bajrong kumba she's 4,000 poin per kilometer ke bezdang nak kesnong maulingkung ke badan hajan ke nong Pak Shillong seduk syak kesnong Panjugram ke badan hajan ke Silchar on pendap no ke bekut jong unusnem ke Sorkar jelah nin ke sengi ke lai peliu jengmut bat ke company NHIDCL kaban pentrai kena ke projek ke basong dor kumba arpu ar haja pras 4,000 pesau kelur tingkah ke ringkat ke jadon langki Deputy Commissioner na ribhoi na East KHASI Hills but na West Giant Hills but ru sembut Menteri Rangba ke jela ubah kami ke tenat PWD ba Presiden Tensong habe kerana ke jingelang ilaong ba ka jingjurip kelajan dep habarok ke jaka hakatain ribhoi East KHASI Hills but West Giant Hills Ila ong rupa kini kesurok kan penesok ke jela Meghalaya sya ke jela Assam bat syaki weipat ke jela ke tan cetela mingi. Ila pentep ru baga jeng penteri kesurok na Shillong sya dau ki hapok ke package wei ar sau bat san kadang ya cekman.
As far as Shillong Dauki project starting from package 1, package 2, package 4, package 5 the progress of work is good. As far as package 1 though lot of inconveniences has been created due to the construction of the 4 lane, as you are all aware, as you are all know. But today we have done the review meeting, the detailed review meeting along with the companies, the construction company, and lot of debate, lot of discussion, and ultimately we have given the direction to the company to complete the work on or before of December 2025.
Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kala thau ke komiti ban penlonggia jing tokit halor ke USTM bat ke jing ti khando siap bat mau bean ha ka than ripoi. Kani ka kai pot jong ke Kashiri Supreme Court Central Empowered Committee kala kdo ba ka USTM kala klun palat arpu san hektar ke jaka klau klem dayo jing bet. Usembut Menteri Rangba ubah Presiden Tensong la ong bakani ke komiti belak liek da UADC ke ribhoi kan let jurip ikini ke jaka bat kan ai ke kai pot ke CEC kalau ai jeng mut rup ban pensangnya no shwaya barok ki kamti mau ti siap bat ki karkhana teliat mau hapok ke distrik kat ba 4 dep ban jurip benia Kani kamukot duma kalami adien ba ujitul deka ubade nong snong ka Assam ulang mudu ka yeng ka Shri Supreme Court lor ka jeng keno penjulor ya kamariang dekit rai jaka.
On the basis of this report, that's what I'm saying. We constituted this committee headed by the ADC, and let us wait and see the report. Once we get the report, we will be able to tell you.
What's the timeline of this?
The timeline is, I think, till 15, I think, till 15 of October, if I'm not mistaken.
Usibut Menteri Rangba ubakni ikatanat ki kampo yeng iba Presiden Tensong ilaptha ka kinhun SIT pan penstet ke jing to akit halor ke jing kla jo hybrid insapira ling dok maunai iba saus nam ka erta ka snong nong ra nong lom iba Tensong ilaptha ki pulit bento akit benya ya ukna ubadang khatlai snam ka erta ubala sha keno don kiti ban le kini ka kam ba bale usus ngap jar but shim la pentip ya no wut shapang kini ke jing ja iba Tensong ila kenturu ikipat ba benon ke jing shania ha ka tanat pulit but ong ba ka jing to okit kadang ya chakman.
Well, I think from the police team we have already given the statement. So see what happened was because that boy, he was also only 12-13 years old. That boy, he already confessed everything. I think we came out with a statement. So that statement, continued. But of course, I've already instructed the SIT also to go further deeper. Why it happened? Why that unfortunate incident happened that way?
Kayeng Kashari Meghalaya High Court haka arpusau terik unailur kalaptha yu Superintendent of Police ka West Garo Hills ban petikna bagi nong terei ki penlong ke jing yaki kimde ban khang khadop jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kanang ban lat na ka jing pensak nge ya ka jing terei kam jong ka office wat apa deng ka jing ni ka jing bamyo tulop ka jong ki hadian kini ke jing pitha USP Abraham T Sangma ulai kendo yu President jong ka NGEA Britain M Sangma lembat ikinong trei bla persha but ong yaki baki day ban kenria no na katege jaka po ka nyosngi ke NGEA kala kular ban board ik hukum jong ka Kashri but ong ba kane biteng ya ka jing ki hangway pat ka jaka ki bor pulet ki pet ngor ya ka jing ya jong ka jing ki bakan long ka ba jai but kin shim ka jing pen bet la de I don't come.
So I've called them and I've explained it to them about the order, and I've told them that this is the High Court order, and they'll have from within 7 days they'll have to vacate the premises, and they'll not be allowed to agitate in that premises. Yeah.
Our meeting, we have decided our agitation place will be changed any other places.
Ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kala terwa ban pelat no shwa mador ya katulop ka bakhat arbanai kat ba ya ka badang sapat kalau kular ban pelat haki lai benta hapo ka arsnem kapor bat ka ongru ba ya katulop ka ba malau benai kan sedang ban siu bet no nadu ka shiterik unai wieng halor kan ni jing terwa kinong trei kila penpau halaka jong ka jing sngo katukat ni na kinong trei kila kloy ban pedang ya kini kejeng terwa henry ki babun pat kila penpau bakini ai beteng kejeng ki kat ba kampat la ban siu dap ya ketulop ka besa ka balong hadu sau pusan benai kinong trei kila pentip bakan ai beteng ya kejeng ki agi jaka belabu kerpang but yo jeng bet na ki board district.
In the beginning we were asking for 12 months. And then back then the ECs didn't respond with positive, this thing. That's the reason why we keep continuing our agitations so far, like almost 3 months now. And then the backlog was 42 months back then, now almost 45 months. So this is the reason why we can't accept their 12 months salary offer at the moment.
Ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya mentakasi kelapan long ya kejeng ki da kabasong kalai mengor hamadan ye leka jong Law College New Tura ha ka ba palat sans pangut kinong hikai kelawan benishim benta kini kejeng ki kalong kupsi benta jong kejeng snok ketilang bat kejeng ki ka belalong ha ka keleng ke jela ka bakentup ru hanong ba shlong ka belas dang naduk ka arpu arterik unai lor President ke Fastum State, Monroy G. Moment, ula ong ba ka ni ka jing ki kan yay piteng tat hado ba ka sorkar kan sngap bat penurlong ya ki jing dawa ka jongki. Kuman cukudo, ke Fastum ka dawa ban penkiu kerdan no ya barok kinong hikai ad hoc sya ke kerdan deficit system. Da ka bapen pau ba kinong hikai ad hoc kim yo jing mentoy kumba yo kinong hikai ke deficit system.
As we have decided in our last general body meeting in Tura, we have decided to go for an indefinite sit-in demonstration, and that will be doing simultaneously in Tura and in Shillong. In Tura, we have started today, and it will continue as long as if we don't get a green signal from the government. Our main demands is to upgrade all the ad hoc teachers to the deficit system and deficit pattern.
Ka surok na Shillong siya penurslab at ki kelas akut nadu nin keski na kajing tua kendo ha danch ing ka belajar na kidau ki kampen pethai jong ka egg construction but kene kala pentut ikinong let no one but ya ikinong jong kai perthai ki bor penya ki lapen saknge ek let ka one na ka digalenti but ajung mut banya na ki wai pat kilenti shu south li ke machine ki dang pen khu ki mau but kendo na kene ka jaka ki bor pen ya ki loong bala ban pli ki ka surok menta ka met la da don shu ki jing tua kendo kum shibanta jong ka swatch nari sashak parivar abhayan la penlong ke medical camp ta ka sngi hamau rikning CHC u MLA ka than u ba H Karpran u la pli ke medical camp but kentu ki pat ba bakin bu akmat ya ka kot ka khia bat ban shim ka bu ha ka badon ki check up ba klem don jing siu ki doctor ba ki specialist na negrims but na Nazareth Hospital ki la yo ban sumar ya ki bubun ki nong pang kat ba I district maternal and child health officer I Dr. EL Kharmuti ila pen pau ki jing mentoy na ka camp kinong yo jing mentoy ki la pen pau ki jing ngau hun da ka boong bakum kani ka camp kala yarap iki ban yo iki la jing sumar ha posh nong lejong klem da don kam ban lech ki hospital shimet ki barem dor
Jadi program yang telah mempan ki blok di dalam ba jing ai hukum nepot sukar kini sing long ki ban blok ban yo pun kita mat ban berat kan dikelat di sumar ban lek ki help ka hung nepot
Kaya rap sibun ning lima tiba hasnong le long kumili ki beduk long yo ban wan kumili ban sim ban ai ki ding check up ban yo ki sumar ka bapaka mo
kakam yo chumtai ke ni mar mi yo x-ray kan tak singa so yo x-ray ki chumbun rum dai aswa ya katar ki le te ngawang te ni ta
Hakaway ke jing jayat khu kali kabla jia nin ke miat hanong po mar prasha ka civil hospital hakaba kaway ka thuk kabala wan na ka benta bomdei ba kala le tan ra ai kaway ka boss ka bawana gohati shishlo halor kani ke jing ja kani ka thuk kala kemding ba unong nya ula khlat ashen kani ka boss ru la kala kemding henrei da ka jing wan poi kloi jogi kali pilip ding la ban say baro kinong let nong wan ki badon hapo kani ka boss kat ba hia unong nya jong ka thuk la penken ria no shanong po civil hospital ban le ka postmortem Kalimpong ilekai inter office futsal tournament kalakut no nin kisngi the light league jingi kun final ha ka ba ha ka kerdan jong ki ken thei ka MEGHALAYA secretariat kala pin rem no ya ke PHE women da shiko lanot ha kerdan jong ki shinrang ka first MLP battalion kala pin rem ka MLP veterans da laiko la arkol ka ba ka kerdan ki bala Saupusan snem shidrong ka MEECL kala job da ka bapen rem ka Directorate of Land Records and Survey da arkol la shikol kajing sam kusnam la bo bat kan long ha kalai poterek mentau benai ha kalimpong sora international half marathon ka basaw la bo ban pelong ka arpunyo terek mentau benai la kami lenti ba yakinong mare kan kotcha ka shipo hajar sans pangut Kinong ilekai Olympic bapaunam ka Mericom kan wan bani shimbanta kum ka kongsan u General Secretary ka MEGHALAYA State Olympic Association u ba finally pariat ulong bakajik pen krek laya chakmat yaki t-shirt bagi chest number lasdang bansam menta kasi kajing don kinong shimbanta kala kiu da 1,000 ngut na usna baladep Hakani ke jingile kai on one ru ban shimbenta de ki khat lai ngut ki nong mare na ki banabari but lai spa lai punyo ngut ki nong mare na ki wei pat ki jela. Hakabaya ka 5K run for fun. Kan sedang hakapor sanchiteng men step.
As you know that the total participants are 10,576. So including official and all, it will be almost 12,000 strong. Will be there in Sora. So regarding the flag off and all, I think that will be given later who will flag off. But we will start first with the 5K at 5:30 sharp. We won't wait because we want to finish those competition.
Mentang ini pek kejeng long jaman kesum deng hatura. Kejeng krak kelong 8% degree Celsius, kejeng shit kelong lai degree Celsius. Kejeng sengam kau mentang kesing kelong prapu anak kejis pak kejeng hap slap kelong iwei pun kendai milimeter. Haba pai pa chalong ba shalong kejeng krak kelong hat pra degree Celsius kejeng shit kelong 8 degree Celsius. Kejeng sengam kau mentang kesing kelong prapu anak kejis pak kejeng hap slap kelong iwei milimeter. Kat bahajawai pat kejeng krak kelong hat kendai degree Celsius kejeng shit kelong 8 degree Celsius. Kejeng sengam kau mentang kesing kelong prapu anak kejis pak kejeng hap slap kelong 8 milimeter. Kelak benon kejeng dum op kejeng tiada pertat ki bubun ki jaka hatura shalom bajawai. Shwaban poi sebukut jang thup kubor ki pek biang sisi ni ki mat bakongsan. Kajing Pujili Shuki Menteri Hak Sarkar Kedai ke Baju Jia Malakapor Ong Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela Ubak Presiden Tenzong. Ya kajing curip ya kesurok Bowling Greenfield NH06 na Shillong Shah Silchar on pendep hadu ke bekut minta usnem. Thau ke Sarkar Meghalaya the committee ban dokit halor ka USTM bat kajing ti kendong siap bat mau bian hakatan rupoi. Bat thak kayeng kasyari Meghalaya High Court ban pingkeriak ki nong treg ba penlong jinge ki ban khang ke kerrop jang ke office GHADC. Diperlok itu lapor sebukut jang thup kubor jing minta ke janmit hidup ini cemyak bat pila syai kesi kuble ipi baro.
हमारी सरकार ने इन हालातों को बदलने का संकल्प लिया। हमने देश के हर गांव तक बिजली पहुंचाई।